Hey guys, welcome to my page. My name is Penwell Okorite Victor. I say it again, Penwell Okorite Victor. I'll be talking about how you can come to Germany, what it's like living in Germany, the challenges here, and basically every information that I deem necessary for my audience to know about Germany. I'm going to put this on this page. And today we'll be talking about 4 things you need to know before you come study in Germany. Let's go. First thing I need you to know is public institutions in Germany are free. When they say free, it doesn't mean you're not going to be paying a dime. You're going to pay something, but it's little to nothing. It's only 100% free when you're on scholarship. You're going to be paying something called a semester fee, semester dues, semester fee, semester dues, whichever one. In my school, it's about 350 euros. I pay that every semester. Initially, it was like 290 something when I first started, but like it seems to increase every semester. I mean, obviously because of inflation, right? But I mean, it's honestly nothing compared to what other students, masters, bachelors, and other parts of the world are paying. Other public institutions also pay this, but it varies. It could vary between 200 and 500 euros. Within that range. It might be more, it might be less, but what I'm trying to say is you pay little to nothing to get top-notch education. This education is recognized all over the world. The second thing I need you to know is German proficiency is not a requirement for you to come study in Germany.
What? What?
There's some programs that require you to have a German proficiency, but those programs are programs that the mode of instruction, the way they're going to teach you is in German. Yeah, those are the only exceptions where you have to learn German to come and study. I was a victim of this, back when I started all this. Germany wasn't even in my. I didn't even think about Germany because of this particular issue because I thought you needed German. So please don't make the same mistake I did. You can come to Germany with English. The third thing that I'm gonna talk about here, number 3 is the visa appointment. The visa appointment. To my Nigerian brothers and sisters, it's quite unfortunate that when it comes to visa appointment, it's a hassle because we gotta wait. Right now, the waiting period for you to get the visa appointment is about, give or take, 2 years. Like, just put 2 years in your head.
The struggle. The suffer is real. Not true.
It might be less, but just to have a good timeline, just say 2 years, right? So yeah, the waiting period is 2 years. Imagine waiting 2 years to get a visa appointment. Your admission, you have to be, deferring admission if your school accepts, you to defer. Like my school, they don't defer. If they give you admission now and you don't come, you're gonna have to reapply again for the next semester. But my school, they'll tell you that, okay, yes, you got an admission before, we'll give you the admission again because you understand the whole visa, issues with your country. The visa appointment is something you should look out for. If it's not something you can handle, don't come to Germany. just remove Germany from your list and go somewhere else. The last and final one is the housing issues. In Germany, there's a housing problem. Yeah, there's a housing problem for students. That's what I would say, not for students. Yeah, student housing. It's quite hard to find affordable housing. It's not like any houses, they're houses, but it's expensive. It's for those that are the people that can afford it are those that are working, that have a steady source of income, good source of income. You find house like, but for us students that we're trying to, manage, our expenses and everything, it's difficult to find housing. Okay, that's it, guys. Those are the 4 things I need you to know before you come study here in Germany. All right, stay safe and stay blessed. Good luck to you on your applications, all your applications. It doesn't necessarily have to be Germany, but yeah, good luck and peace out.